Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Alter Tech, back again with a new freaking video, and today we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 9, so I thought it would be a great idea for me to go ahead and pick up both these devices just to give you a comparison, whether or not should you pay about, $500 for the Galaxy Note 9, or should you go ahead and get the Note 10 Plus for about $1,100. So I'll start with this video by unboxing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus real quick. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now in the packaging, you basically just got this box. There's no paperwork. There's nothing like that. I found that to be kind of odd. This was made in Vietnam. So let's go ahead and see what we have over here. So this is the rainbow effect color. I forgot what the name was, but it has this rainbow type finish to it. And it looks gorgeous. Holy crap. Let me see if you guys get a quick close up on this real quick. Wow, this looks like a kind of like a disco type effect. Looks pretty good. You do have your camera cut out over here. Now this is actually my favorite camera placement for any devices. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this phone. So we have the Note Pen over here. Nice. It seems to be a little bit longer than the original S Pen on the Galaxy Note 5. Just put this back over here, and let's see. So in the bottom, you do have your USB Type-C port, microphone port, speaker grill. Up on top, you do have I believe this is a speaker. You have your SIM card tray, and you do have another microphone. So on the sides, you do have I believe this is your power button, volume rocker. So there's no buttons on this side, which is kind of odd. As for the overall design, this reminds me of the old school iPod Nanos. It was the iPod Minis, something like that. You guys remember back in the day in high school when you do had those medium-sized iPods. This reminds me of the same, shape. Anyway, so let me see if this could actually power on, if there's any juice inside here. And while that's loading up, let's go ahead and see what we have inside the box. So if you get a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you're guaranteed to get a power adapter. And this is let's see. Okay, so this is a micro USB to USB type adapter. Okay, put that over there. And you do have your AKG headphones. Wait, these? Okay. Okay. So, and these USB type. This must be USB Type C headphones. So they did take off the headphone jack, but they also included USB Type C headphones. So I can respect that because, when you order an iPhone or the OnePlus 7 Pro, you didn't get a dongle and you did not get any headphones. So, hopefully, Samsung could continue this trend if they're going to go without the headphone jack. So, okay, let's go ahead and check out this phone. The display, it's a big display. Not much bezels. You do have that little cutout on top.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
So I'll have to go ahead and just play around with this and set it up, and I'll probably do some camera comparison tests. Maybe later on today I could probably post it. So let me just go ahead and put this to the side real quick. I don't want this to get damaged. Alright, so this is going to go to the side, and let me just go ahead, just for reference, this is the size of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and this is the size of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it's not as big as I really thought it was going to be, but they're both big phones, but you get used to it unless you have really small hands. And yeah, all right, so for the Galaxy Note 9, let's check it out. Now I got this on eBay. Let's see what we get. So we have the phone, and for about half the price you're gonna get you get headphones, charger, cable, and let's see the condition of this device. So for about $500 on eBay. Is there any scratches on this? Is this a scratch? Holy crap, there's so many scratches on this. They told me that this was going to be like some minimal type scratches. All right, man, so I'm going to have to return this. This is unacceptable. So I'm going to have to return this. This is the Galaxy Note 9. I thought this was going to be in mint condition. Obviously, it's not in mint condition. Wow, this is just... wow. This is supposed to be manufacturer refurbished, and if you're buying something that's manufacturer refurbished from Samsung, they're not gonna sell you something that has all these scratches and whatnot. They're gonna replace the the glass on the back. They're going to replace, you know, everything that needs to be replaced. Wow, this is just like, it's not even clean. This is just a dirty Galaxy Note 9 device. I probably should have known better. This was the last one they actually had. So this is a complete, you know, letdown. So wow. So there you go, people. If you're gonna get a Galaxy Note 9, make sure you get a brand new one. Forget eBay. Forget these, resellers. These seller refurbished phones. Now this was listed as a manufacturer refurbished device. I'm pretty pissed right now. This is just gonna waste my time. Now I have to go ahead and return this device. Even with the S Pen, you know, you got some dirt on this pen. This is highly unacceptable, but as you can see, it does feel a little bit heavier than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me see. No, they actually feel about the same. No, actually, this feels a little bit heavier. I think because this actually has a it has more area. It's physics, people. So on the back, camera cutout and the fingerprint sensor over here. Wow, this is just a complete waste of money. I'm definitely going to return this one. Wow, this totally sucks. So maybe I should put that seller on blast. I don't even know, man. I mean, it's not as what it was described on the description on the eBay selling site. Anyway, so at least I'll have this to play around with, and so far so good. I'll go ahead and try out some cases because I really don't want to get this phone damaged. So I know I'll do some camera comparisons, and I'll see you guys soon in the future. This is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.